Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the surface ready because adhesion depends on cleanliness. Wipe the area with 70% isopropyl and a lint-free cloth. Let it dry fully. While that sets, arrange stickers on the backing and trim any excess for precise shapes. Once done, dry fit them on the laptop using small pieces of tape so you can visualize spacing and avoid vents, ports, and seams. This planning step saves time and prevents lifting later. You apply the sticker starting from a single aligned edge to control placement. Peel about 1/4 to 1/2 of the backing and set that edge exactly where you want it. Then press the exposed portion down and use a credit card or squeegee to smooth from center to edge, which forces air out. Keep working slowly across the sticker so wrinkles don't form. If the adhesive feels stiff, make sure to warm it slightly with your hands or a brief hairdryer. You finish by trimming any overhangs with a sharp blade, taking care not to nick the laptop casing. Then inspect for bubbles. Small ones you can smooth outward with a card, while stubborn pockets can be pricked with a fine needle and pressed flat. Make sure to press the entire sticker edge firmly for at least 30 seconds to set the bond. If edges lift later, reheat gently and press. If it still fails after 24 hours, replace the sticker to avoid long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.